This project is IOT early flood detection. Here, hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with power supply, system by 2 LCD display. Wi-Fi module ESP8266 connected to Arduino UART port. Here, Siren controlled by relay which is connected to Arduino digital pins. Flood level sensor connected to Arduino digital pins respectively. Now power on this. Here we have our own server designed according to our requirement. Initially, we have to create hotspot in our mobile with the name of IOT server and password is IOT server 123. Now we have to open a hotspot settings. Set up Wi-Fi hotspot. Here, network name is IOT server and password is IOT server 123. Save. Mobile should have internet through SIM. Now we can log in server application in this URL. Here URL is projectfactoryserver.in using username and password. Here username is IOT15 and password is IOT15. We can name it this according to our requirement. In this URL we can open in our mobile or laptops. You can see here projectfactoryserver.in and it is asking username and password. Here username is IOT15 and password is IOT15. Using this project, we can know the flood level monitoring. Generally, floods occurs because of water level rising in ponds and rivers. It can monitor the water level updated to the IOT server when level changes. Here, when level is full, then sun will be on to alert the people. Here, we have 3 levels: level empty, level 1, level 2 and level full. We can see here level 1. Here U means data uploaded to the server. We have to refresh this page. We can see here level 0, level 2, level 3, level 1 with respect to date and time. And we can see data in graphical view. It helps to the predict flood flow to graph view.